Hello and welcome to your next car. Video of the new 420 X-Drive automatic. As you can see, it's in the lovely red colour. Your next car performance styling pack, front splitter grills, got the genuine Performance alloys, Performance blue calipers, got these your next car sidebars. Privacy glass, looks very good with a red colour. Car is very tidy. Your next car spoiler, your next car rear diffuser. Coming into the boot, nice, lots of space there. We've got the rear folding seat option there, which is very handy. Okay, coming round to the back of it, rear parking sensors. Side of the car is very tidy again. Very nice. All good tyres. Okay, just to do a general overview of the whole vehicle there. Before our vehicles are collected, they are machine polished. Just the day before. Inside of the car, it's got the folding mirror option. Very good. Harman Kardon Hi-Fi stereo. We've got the sports gearbox, heated seats, sat nav, parking sensors. Next service is due. Oil service due in 3,500 miles. Rear brakes in 19,000. Front brakes in 16. Standard DAB, Bluetooth audio. Very tidy interior, as you can see. Black leather. Rear seats look as though they've not been sat in. Very nice. General all round, very nice clean car. It is physically in stock today to drive away. All our vehicles are ready to drive away the same day. Total BMWs in stock today, 132. Thank you for watching the video. Hope it was helpful. Thank you. Hope to see you soon.